Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. My name is Adrienne Rich, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this simple, easy look. As you see, I did one eye off camera and I filled in my brows. I'm outlining my eyebrows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to grab more of that concealer and I'm just going to take that and put that all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to take my angled buffer brush and I'm going to use that to buff out that concealer. So because I'm using these really bright pastel colors, I'm going to take my white foundation from LA Girl Pro. I'm going to put that on my eyelid with my finger and I'm just going to dab that in. If you swipe it, it's going to make it a different color and you don't want that. I want it to stay exactly white. So I'm just going to take my finger and just dab that product into, the concealer. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge to blend it out as well. So I decided to highlight my brow bone, and I highlighted my brow bone with this BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, and I used the shade Ethereal. Because this eye look is so simple, I really want it to pop out. And for my first eyeshadow shade, I'm going to go in with my BH Studio Pro palette, and I'm going to grab that really bright beige color onto a fluffy brush. And I'm going to, because it's wet and I do not set my eyelid, so you want to start by taking the shadow and just dab it. Don't swipe it, don't swirl it first, just pack the pigment on first and then blend it out. So I'm going to go back into that BH Studio Pro palette and I'm going to grab this really bright pastel pink shade and I'm going to take that on another BH Studio Pro palette. Another BH brush. I cannot talk. And I'm going to blend that. You're going to see me go back and forth between the beige shade and the pink shade because these eyeshadows are very light and I don't want to lose the color. So I'm going to go back and forth between those two shades.
Sometimes I keep you in my mind. Sometimes I let you go alive. I'm using everything I find. Do anything to keep you tied up. Sometimes I keep you in my mind.
Now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to grab this really bright neon pink shade and I'm going to take this on, it's not a fluffy brush, it's kind of really tapered, and I'm just going to take that and put that right into my crease. And again, I'm going back and forth with my colors because, you know, they're really bright and pastel and really light, and I don't want to lose my pigment, so I'm going back and forth with those shades. For the lid, I'm going to that 35B palette and taking that really bright, sparkly shade. I'm blending out with my finger because I want everything to be really seamless. And this is more of like a natural look. Even though it's really colorful, it's still natural looking. And then I'm going to grab that purple metallic shade right next to it. And I'm going to blend that in the beginning of my eye next to near my tear duct. And I'm just doing this with my finger, going back and forth with those two colors so it could be as pigmented and as blended out as I want it to be. And I'm going to take my fluffy brush that I use for that pink shade to blend that metallic with those mattes. After I am satisfied with how my eyes looking, I'm going to grab my Kiss Lashes in the style So Wispy. I'm going to apply those. I primed my face off camera, y'all, and I cleaned up the top of my eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to go in with my foundation in the shade 365. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I'm going to blend it out with my BH buffer brush. This tutorial is really detailed, y'all. Like, I really wanted y'all to see everything that I do. Well, most of everything I do. So I'm really getting into the nooks, the crannies, showing you how I do my foundation with my glasses on and everything. Alright, so 50 hours later of seeing me blending out my foundation, I'm going to grab my concealer. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. And of course, I'm going to use this to highlight it. To highlight my face. Y'all know what I mean. And to blend out my concealer, I'm a trip, y'all. To blend out my concealer, I use a contour brush now. I really like it. It's better than a sponge to me because it's not soaking up my product. And it blends out really flawless, so get into it. I don't know why I put all the concealer on my forehead, y'all. Like, it's already not big enough, but whatever. Alright, time to set all of that concealer. And I'm going to set it with my air sponge powder with my sponge. I'm pushing the product into my face, and I'm just going to leave a little bit on my face to sweep away. As you see, I put a lot of product on the side of my nose, because that's where my glasses sit, and I want that to stay, matte, and I don't want it to move, because when you remove my glasses from makeup, you see the print in my makeup on my face, and it's not a good look. Pandora was playing my songs, honey, but I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever face powder in the shade 218 to set my foundation, and then I did not cream contour, honey. I just wanted to be natural, and I wanted the attention to mostly be on my eyes. So I'm taking my Black Radiance contour powder palette in medium to dark, and I'm just going to take that on my Wet n Wild contour angle brush to add some color to them cheeks, honey. Just be real natural, add some color, and keep it cute. I'm going to go right back into that highlight palette, and I'm going to grab that really, really light shade called Glow, and I'm going to add that to my tear duct, so this eye look can be popping severely some more. Alright, 3 times a charm, right back into this highlight palette, and I'm going to grab that shade called Ethereal, and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks with this Wet n Wild. Actually, this is a blush brush. This is my new technique that I'm trying with highlighting my face, just putting it on my cheek. I think it's really, really beautiful. Had to go in with my sponge to kind of tone it down and to fix it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but I'm going to use a different brush to highlight my cupid's bow, my chin, and my nose. And of course, I'm going to highlight my temples as well. I know I be going in with the highlight. I be trying to glow for the gods, y'all. But I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay setting spray. I'm going to fan myself. And I'm going to pop on some lip gloss because I was really only going to my mom's house. But thank you guys for watching. This is the end of this tutorial. Please do not forget to leave a comment. And please like and subscribe to my channel. This is me with glasses when you catch me in the streets, honey. And boom, this is me without them. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.